Let's see how to export video from CapCut PC. That's mean when your editing will done, you need to export that file for uploading to YouTube or Facebook or any kind of other platform. So first of all, you need to open CapCut, and you can see this is the CapCut, and this is the file that I have recently done with the previous video. And you can see my export, my editing has been done, and I am going to show you how I exported that file. So for exporting that file, I just use this button which is export. You can see, just hit that button, and you can see here is a little form that you need to keep in mind. First of all, title. You can use your own customized title here. For example, I want to replace their default and dummy title to how to export, like this. And this is the export to. That means the location where you need to export that file. For example, I want to use desktop, and then hit the select folder, and that means I will see on my desktop when my export will complete, the file name will be how to export. That's it. And this is the advanced feature. You can see the resolution. Here you can see the resolution is 480p to 4K. You can choose whatever you want. For this video, I will use 1080p, which is Full HD. If your file is 2K or 4K, you can use that format or resolution to export your output file. And here is the bitrate. You can see bitrate higher, lower, customized. I always use their recommended bitrate because they always prefer the good quality bitrate for me. If you want, you can use that, or you can use higher. And then codes. Codes mean you can see the efficient file space. So if you don't have any problem with your file size, you can use another one like this one, AV1. But I used to use this ACVC file because always I will get the lower file from CapCut, which is pretty good for me for exporting tutorial video. But if you have another kind of video, you can use AV1, which is very good. And then the format, you can see MOV and MP4. If you want, you can use MOV, but I like MP4. That's why I selected MP4. And the next thing is frame rate. So you can use the frame rate based on your footage. For example, if your footage is 25 fps or 30 fps, you can use that. And if your footage is 60 fps, you can select that file. But my footage is 30 fps. That's why I use 30 fps for my export file. And here is the another way. If you turn on this feature, you will get audio externally for this video. That means additionally you will get audio file, but I don't want to use that. That's why I turn off their file. And now you can see the estimate duration of your video and estimates file size that you will get. And if you use AV1, you can see it's now 138 MB. And if I select H24, you can see the file size is increased. So you can use this one, you will get a better result. Okay, so I am going to use this one for this example video, and then hit the export button. So when I hit that button, you can see my exporting is completing. So that's mean you can see the progress bar is 10% complete, and after few couple of seconds this process will done. And you can see it's going to slowly because of I used the code which is H264. If I choose the lower one, my export will be faster. So you can give few seconds or few time. It actually will take time based on your file size and how many layer or track that you can use. So this is actually the very simple video, and I exported only 3-minute file. That's why it's take a lower time. That's all for today. If you found this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more video from me, then consider subscribing to this channel. My name is Nasim, and I will see you on the next video. Till then, bye. Have a good day.